In high-performance electronics like electric vehicles, power converters, and supercomputers, heat management is everything. To keep components cool, engineers depend on thermal interface materials like gap fillers and putties. But here's the issue. Can manufacturers really trust thermal conductivity values provided on datasheets? Real-world conditions such as curing, compression, and surface contact can make those numbers unreliable. Imagine a computer manufacturing plant using the same gap filler but seeing inconsistent performance across products. The reason? No validation of the thermal conductivity under real-world application conditions. Meet the Thermtest Advanced MP-1 with Transient Plane Source sensor. Following ISO 22007-2, it precisely measures bulk thermal conductivity in soft, comfortable materials like gap fillers. We tested Fujipoly PG65A, a high-performance putty. The results? A consistent average of 6.514 watts per reduced Kelvin, almost identical to the datasheet spec of 6.5. With minimal deviation, this test proves the material's performance isn't just marketing, it's measurable. Thermal conductivity testing isn't just a checkbox, it's insurance. With the Advanced MP-1, manufacturers validate thermal interface materials with speed, accuracy, and confidence. When datasheets fall short, Thermtest's MP-1 tells the full story. Fast, ISO compliant, and lab proven.